Hey friends, and welcome to the Ponds Farmhouse. My name is Rachel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how we're going to make a oyster shell wreath. We're actually making this for Christmas. However, it would work perfectly for any season just by changing out the bow on it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going ahead and getting the wreath itself prepared to hold the oyster shells because they're a little heavier than some of the things that we put on wreaths. So we want to be sure that they're going to stay there. So I'm going to get all my supplies together, turn the camera down so you can see what I'm doing, and I'll be right back. First thing that I'm doing here, I've already had my wreath that I've used on other projects, and we're just going to recycle it. But what I'm wanting to do is secure these shells to the wreath. And so I'm actually gone out and gotten some twigs, and we're going to glue those in. And I've already kind of placed everything to get an idea of what it's going to look like. One of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to use some E6000 glue first. And then add some hot glue to that because I want to be sure that this is going to hold and not fall off of my door. Okay, so what we're going to do first is I'm just going to pull this out, keeping it kind of in the position that it's in. Go ahead and add some of the E6000 glue to it first on both sides. I want it to be really secure. And then I'm going to put some hot glue on it, same way. Both sides, and then we're going to put it right back in where it came from so that it's going to hopefully adhere there and be in the right position for holding these oyster shells. We're going to do the same thing again here on this one. I'm trying to do this quickly because we want it to get in there before everything dries. And one reason I'm using the hot glue along with the E6000 is that the hot glue will go ahead and set up much more quickly, and we won't have to wait so long between applying everything. So we're going to put some more glue. Okay, and then this is the last one. We're going to try to get that in there a little bit more secure. Whoops, I'm going to do the E6000 first. And then the glue. I'm going to slide it right back in that same position that it was in. Okay, now we've got all of our secure pieces here. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and add the oyster shells. And I'm just going to go ahead and lay them back out basically the way that I had them on here as a test. I'll put this one like right about here and this one right here. And I think we'll have enough security there to hold those. Might move this one over just a little bit. Okay, can you see what I'm doing here? Okay, so let's go ahead and let's start with this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin with the exact same thing I did before. We're going to add the E6000. I'm going to go around the edges of it as much as possible. And I'm trying to put it approximately where that those sticks are going to be. Then we're going to put some of the hot glue right on top of that. Okay. And then apply it to the wreath here. And just make sure it's all attaching. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing here with this one. And where it's attaching to the actual wreath, I'm trying to put a little bit more glue. Okay. Okay, see, these are just barely touching the actual wreath itself, and so I want to make sure that I get those on there really good. Then we're going to come in with this one, attach it right here. To the actual wreath itself. I think we'll have enough that it will adhere. Now I'm going to hold this one here for just a few minutes just to make sure that it sets up properly. We do not want it slipping around. So it only takes a few minutes for the hot glue to dry, but the E6000 takes a little bit longer. But as long as we've got the hot glue holding it in place, we're going to be in good shape. It feels pretty secure. Just don't want to let it go too soon. I might even go in here and just put a little bit of extra glue right in here just for safekeeping. Okay, and then this is the final one that I'm going to be putting on this side, and so we're going to add quite a bit of glue to this back side here. It's really uneven, so we want to try to get it in there as securely as possible. This one's still not wanting to stay too good here. Let me try to put a little bit more glue right here in the center. If it still doesn't hold, what I could do is come back in and put another little stick right underneath here, like I did on some of the others here, to help stabilize it. But for right now, we're going to try to get it to stay without doing that. I'm actually going to be coming back in and adding some little pearls here to the center of this, so that'll also help to get everything stabilized. Okay, all right, let's see, I think that's good. Now, we're going to come back in on this side, and we're going to add another row. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let these overlap just slightly. Trying to remember exactly how I had them on here. I don't want to, I might have had that one on this side. I think I did. And then this one here. One here. And one here. Whoops. Actually, I believe this one was on this side and this one was here. It's kind of like putting a puzzle together. You have to make sure you reconstruct it so that it's exactly the way you want it. Okay, so we're going to start first with this one, the one that's overlapping. I'm going to actually put some, whoops, I need to get the E6000 first, so put some of that on here first. More hot glue. I want to just kind of lay this one in right on top of what's already here. Okay, let me go ahead and see what this one looks like. Make sure it's pretty much the same. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in next. Load it up with plenty of hot glue. And then once these are all secured, you know, you want to go back and double check and make sure that everything feels like it's where it needs to be and that they're secure on there. And then once you do that, then you're ready to go ahead and add the pearls to it, just to give it a little center here. Kind of doing it like a flower. They're feeling really good now, good and secure. So, okay, let's take a break and I'm gonna come back and put the pearls on here for you. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add some pearls in here just to give it a little interest. I'm gonna add some hot glue to here. I'm gonna stick several in at one time. Hopefully, if this will work. I don't want to get burnt here, so I'm going to try to put them in easy. Okay, there's one. See, I think I can put another one right in there. Okay, that looks pretty good. And now let's put some over here on this side. Okay, we're going to come back in and add a little greenery just to add a little spark to it. We'll just put some hot glue on this. I don't think we need to use the E6000 here. We're just going to stick a little bit in.